Hello everyone, it's me, and today we're going to do another gaming video. Sorry about the last video where there was no audio. My my headset wasn't working, and now today, the new problem is there's no game audio, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. But today we're going to be doing a review on the new updates in the game. Let's get out of the jail. And before, since I'm not like most YouTubers, don't leave a comment and tell me don't subscribe. Please don't. Just take it really soon. Subscribe and like, please. Thank you. Alright. So, let's get to it. Get going. And if you have any other gaming video suggestions I could do, please let me know in the comments section down below. Let's see. First, the one obvious one that just happened just a few days ago was a snow update, so now there's tons of snow everywhere. And then another update was the Roblox electricity, I think it was some of that name. But now you can get, if you're quick enough, you can get up to $7,000, I believe. Or something of that nature. But those are some of the few things, and now we're gonna have to get some other things done, like taunt this police officer. You don't know how to play? The escape artist. Do 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 do. But yeah, eventually I'm gonna be upgrading to another microphone. So for next few videos, my audio quality is not gonna be very good. I'm just gonna put that out there now, so then people don't scream at me in the comment section and harass me. So there. But, okay. Just so you know, when this video is over, I'm not gonna be like most YouTubers who say, leave a comment and subscribe. That makes me want to shoot myself. So, make sure in the comment section, make sure I don't do that, please. Please and thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright. Let's get some out of these crap clothes. Now we gotta go find some schools and shoot them up, if you know what I mean. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. School shootings are not a joke, kids. You know, there are probably tons of 5-year-olds watching these videos. Or either overaged men, like, doing who knows what, watching this. But hey, who cares? Right? Right? Oh, cool, shootings. But since I'm an intellectual, using lots of intellect, I'm gonna go rob the, drumroll please, the jewelry store. Oops. And there's probably gonna be music overlapping. Sorry about that. But hope you enjoy it. Oh wait, is it actually open? Let's open this. just to get some quick cash. Oh yeah. Yeah, and we're gonna do some other gaming videos as well, such as I don't know the names of them, but I'll probably write them in the description, so keep an eye out for that. And the person who leaves the funniest comment may, just maybe, get a friend, may be able to friend me. So I'll keep an eye out for that too. Oh, he's ready to pounce. Okay, buddy, that's not very nice. Like a drifter, I was born. Oh my gosh. 200 IQ play. I'm pretty sure the jewels don't do anything, but might as well grab them, because I mean, why? Oh, heck not. Okay, this is where I always die. Let's go POV real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna run it. Okay, that was a big fail. Yeah, it always gets me, but there goes the fun. Okay. Let's find a car real quick. Yeah. What's this? I'm probably never gonna get to level 10. But alright. I'm gonna go. Let's go rob a donut shop. Yeah, the suspension can ruin your things, so. And my awesome license plate. Glow. See what else we can fix real quick. Engine. With the brakes real quick. Yeah, some of these are new. Okay. Let's go. Actually,